My name is Andrew Early, and today I want to talk about magnesium supplements. So, my research question is: does magnesium supplementation improve sleep, energy, and brain fogs, specifically in adults? So, this is very important to me because, like many others, I suffer from poor sleep, low energy, and brain fog. And it's very common within adults, and magnesium might be an easy way to help with that. So, basically, there are some potential unreliable sources, and that includes, unreliable websites. But I'm going to be getting into, for example, TikTok. So there might be your favorite influencer on TikTok trying to promote something because they're getting paid. But in reality, that product might not be the safest, but they don't care. They're just trying to get money off who their sponsor is. So TikTok might not always be the way. Your favorite influencer might not always be the way. You just gotta, use your judgment and be smart. So the empirical article that I used, is reliable because it was a peer-reviewed journal about magnesium L-threonate, which is a form of magnesium, and it talks about its effects on sleep and daytime function. It's reliable because the authors used, real people in a controlled, you know, environment. They use the actual magnesium L-threonate, and then they use placebos. So I'll get into that here in a sec. So the author explains that poor sleep affects overall health and daily function. Magnesium is known to help the body and the brain. And magnesium L-threonate is very interesting because it may be absorbed well and improve brain functions like mood and memory. There's other forms of magnesium, but this one specifically talks about magnesium L-threonate, also known as MgL. That's how they abbreviate it. So let's get on to the participants. So basically, in this, their participants, so it included 80 adults, all within the age range of 35 and 55, and they all reported sleep problems. And this group really helped the researchers see how magnesium affected sleep and daily energy in real people in real time. So basically, what they did, the methods they used. So each participant either took 1 gram of magnesium L-threonate or a placebo every day for 21 days. The study was a double blind, which means neither the participants nor the researchers knew who got magnesium or the placebo. Researchers used questionnaires and an Oura ring to track sleep quality, daily activity, energy, and the mood of all the participants. So basically, the results they found were the magnesium L-threonate group had better sleep quality, more energy, and improved mood compared to the placebo group. This shows that drastically that magnesium L-threonate has a real positive effect on both sleep and daytime function. So the researchers basically concluded that magnesium L-threonate improved REM sleep, alertness, energy, and productivity. They also suggested that more research could help understand magnesium's long-term effects, but as of right now, we know that magnesium L-threonate is very reliable and it really helps with brain fog, energy, and sleep. So I chose this topic because I recently started taking magnesium. I take magnesium glycinate, which isn't the same as magnesium uh, L-threonate, and I wanted to really know if it actually helps with sleep, energy, and brain fog. And I might be switching to it soon. I'm not sure yet because after this article, it's very reliable and so on. And so people really care about this research because magnesium is safe and it's widely available and it improves your overall health. And well, like I said, it's affordable, it's not expensive. And so that's all I have. Thank you.